Hello guys, and welcome to another Pixel Federation Train Station 2 video tutorial episode. This is the second part. I hope you enjoyed the first part. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. It's very important so I can keep making this video series, and hope you enjoy this one. See you later. So let's dive into the second part of this complete guide to Train Station 2. I hope it will be complete. Today I'm on the PC. I'm actually playing on the PC, and it's a big move forward. It's much easier because I'm using huge touch screen on the PC, and I'm playing with the LDPlayer. It's a Android emulator for PC. Earlier I tried other Android emulators, but they were too slow. I almost gave up when I discovered LDPlayer. It's something really great. It's a revolution for me, because now I'm able to make better recordings, and there's a link in the description so you can install for free. It's completely free. You can install it and play on your PC. So you can actually play on your PC really fast and really convenient, easier. Let me show you. It has several tabs, like Train Station 2 at the moment, Play Store, where you can install any games, applications, same as on your computer, and Home, where you can find shortcuts like Play Store and everything else, settings. I didn't look that yet. It's like a mobile phone into your Windows operating system. This is free application. Click the link in the descriptions and try it right now. You will love it for sure. So I would also like to show you how it looks playing on the touch screen. So take a look at this. So this is IAMA touchscreen monitor. It's very nice. I had to take it because I had big problems using mouse for more than 20 years. And let's open Train Station 2 just to show you how easy, how better and nicer it's to play in this way rather than on a small mobile phone screen. You will wonder what is this? This is a camera and microphone, which sucks a lot. Not because I'm afraid someone can spy me, but it's possible, of course, but it's unusable. This monitor is perfect. It's more than I expected, but this camera and microphone, it's trash, and I would be happier without this here, because I have, as you can see, I hope it's visible, my mic. It's Shure for sure. It's a brand called Shure. So you see my yeah, but I think it's too dark. It's too bright. It's too bright. Can I change? I can't change. Yeah. That's it. Now you can see it better. So my daily bonus. Okay, I have to skip the ad. Okay, so I just wanted to show you, mainly because because you can't see actually a touch visualization. It's called like that. You see 5 dots, 10 dots. They're freaking not visible on the recording. If someone can tell me how to fix that, but I don't think it's possible at the moment. So just to show you, sometimes I put the hand here. You can actually raise it up like this, or you can also use it like this if you are standing like this. It's really nice to use. I will probably make another separate video about this beauty, this help, because it's much faster. Yeah, and you can lift it up really in a second, just by doing that. Perfect.
It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic. Subscribe to my channel now and like this video right away.
Okay, so let's move to do something. As you can see, I am just on the level 5, so let's collect this one, because there's a freaking ad which I will now just blur, but later on I will remove the ads we are watching for this time for 1 gem, and it's finished, as you can see. And this is the most important thing. Gems, I mean, they are really precious. Okay, so let's collect also the whistles. I'm on the level 5 and I was at the level, I don't know, almost 20 in the part 1, but I had to install it on my PC, and really not sure how to save the old account to continue. There's some way for sure. I think you have to contact support or something. Okay, let's just play. I'm still in the phase where the man is showing me how to play. First 5 levels you will finish in less than an hour, but you in the beginning you will have certain instructions to show you how to play. It's really useful because the man will show you exactly what to do. Okay, I click that and I actually just opened iron mill, another factory. So at this moment I have only 2 factories: smelting plant and iron mill. Here will be another factory at level 14. Okay, first thing I always do, it's collect gold, because it's every 4 hours it's possible to collect the gold, and it's really important to have gold, especially in the beginning. And today's episode will be like covering beginner low levels, I mean, which we maybe didn't touch in the first episode because I was already on the level 14. So we will reversely show the beginning of the game today. So let's move on. I collected the gold. Let's see if additional dispatcher is available. Sure it is, every 4 hours. Okay, so let's see if I bought everything today. in daily offers. You always have to complete daily offers. I didn't have money earlier because I just started the game, as I said, and I got golden parts or gold, crystals and jobs. I will do jobs today, and let me explain you what's important about the jobs. I hope the volume of the game it's not too loud. It shouldn't be. Okay, so you see, each job gives you certain experience and keys, gold, whatever. You will always look what's actually the best for you to gain less experience possible, because the goal of this game is not to advance fast, to get to higher levels fast, because you have to build your fleet, your trains, and as you get more experience you will actually advance in your level. You see, I'm level 5. When I get 100, I have 13 of 104 experience, and when I reach 104 I will advance to level 6. And let's see on the map, when I reach level 10 I will unlock Germany, the next region. So Britain is the shortest one, and you have to be careful to collect the best trains you can when you are still in this region. Once you advance to Germany, you will not be able to buy trains for Britain anymore. So each region has its own trains. So you see, I am at the Britain, and I have this situation. Those are the trains I don't own yet. So let's move further. Okay, I need coal. You always send all trains for coal and for iron ore, because it's the most needed materials. As you can see, I just begun, and I have only four items, 4 materials: coal, iron ore, iron powder and steel, which I'm at 0. I go to smelting plant and I put some steel on production. This is new factory, so isn't upgraded. By default you always get 2 factory slots or lanes, and it's good to upgrade them as soon you can. You don't have to keep your gems for anything else, because this is the most important thing you will do with your gems. So I confirm, I'm not sure how much I have, but I'm around 30, no problem. Okay, so that's 1 slot more. I have only 5 gems, okay. And Whistle got me 1 key. Keys are almost the most important here, because they are used for buy a train, for buy a basic container, which contains by chance 75% will be gray, 15% blue, purple 8% and yellow 2%. They all have its name, which I always forget and mix. This is okay. Common train, blue are rare, I already said that in the last episode. Epic train, purple, and yellow are legendary. I'm not sure if this is yellow or meant to be golden. It seems like gold, but that's not important. I got my material, so let's move on. I always want to my factories to be full. I can't produce this at the moment when I reach 11, but I will set full of steel. And let's see the other one, iron mill. Okay, I need iron powder, which I will go to take now. You see, I'm already out of coal, so I can order coal too. It's only 30 seconds. Some other material will take 3 minutes or 5 minutes. We will see that later. The game may seem a little bit boring in the beginning. I don't have any contests here at the moment. They're usually somewhere here, but I think I don't have them because I'm just on the level 5. Not sure, but I think you have to reach level 10 to be able to play events and contests. So okay, iron ore, I just got him, and the coal mine. Okay, while we're waiting for coal mine, let me show you this yellow icon. You get diamonds or gems whenever you reach for certain achievements. So you see, when you collect 10 whistles, you have 2 gems, and you can watch advertising to double it. Let's do that. Okay. So this is not a gameplay. This is more kind of complex tutorial through several episodes. I'm not sure how many. You can see I still don't have a boat, which is important to increase the population. I'm at the moment on 40, and I'm out of any maps. So nothing about that at the moment. Okay, let me just check the materials, because I have plenty of space. You can see here iron powder is made of iron ore, so I will get there and actually fill it with that. Let me see if I have, yeah, okay. No, it suggests me to buy gems. No way, thank you. Let's put, okay, just let me upgrade the trains, because I have some money, but maybe I should save for daily offer. Yeah, I have actually 120, and I will buy these gray parts for 120. That's today's daily offer. You actually, if you play every day, you shouldn't miss it. It's very important. Okay, let me check this. Okay, I actually wanted to go to upgrade the trains. I don't have any duplicates. You see here, you can dismantle duplicates, but I don't have any at the moment. Okay, I will first upgrade any I can. Star Clara is the same. I don't have much, because I don't have I need money. I have only 6 gold, and I'm out of gold now. But you can earn lots of gold through the events and contests, which aren't available at the moment. We will have to go through that contests. They are always the same, circling the same games always again, depending if it's Christmas. They just make it like Christmas theme, but it's always the same way. They have several different contests which are circling and you're playing always the same. So once you know how to play it, there are several tricks. As I said, you need lots of time to learn that tricks, but I will show you as we will advance in our episodes randomly, because it's really complex. At this moment I don't even remember those tricks because I didn't play for some months, but I will start again. I need more material always because I have plenty of room in the warehouse. My warehouse capacity is 600 and I have only 10% filled, so warehouse have to be full always. It's far from full because you don't want to waste your time later. So before sending your trains, you will actually collect all you need. Once you send your trains, okay, here we have 30 seconds jobs, 1 hour job and 30 minutes. But I will not actually care about the duration, the timing to complete the jobs. I will more see what it's the most convenient. At this moment, the most important for me are keys to buy trains. At the end, I probably have to finish all these jobs to complete Britain. It's only 33% completed. They changed something about this game, I have a feeling, because I have different jobs and tasks when I began on the other device, where I reached level 300 and something, 302 or something like that. Okay. We have another notification here. This is company headquarters. I will not explain in details today, but you always collect something here when it's available, when you complete certain task or something. You actually have points which are calculated, and they give you prizes for this. So I will go ahead and collect my 10 gems. Okay, next reward is 20 gems when I reach 1500 points. points, I'm not sure what that means. No problem. Competitions, it will count how many times you got first on the competition, second, third, and total numbers of competitions. I still didn't have any, so I unlocked the company headquarters, so that this is like my company. I can edit my player name, and we will put okay, I don't change it at the moment. Let's see the pictures. Let's put this guy. Okay, I think it's time to really send the trains, especially this one because it's only 30 seconds. Let's complete this task, and while waiting, okay, I will have to make another turn because the capacity of my trains aren't enough to complete this job or task. So while waiting, I go to buy another train because I have some keys, and let's roll up. Okay, I don't know yet, but it's still common train. I need legendary yellow train because I don't have any. It's important because it's the highest capacity train, and you will use it to collect gold each time, every 4 hours available. So let's finish this one, and let's begin another one. Maybe, yeah, I will go for this one because it gives me only 10 experience and 25 keys. I don't have steel, and I will go to the smelting plant and collect some steel and put on production others. But I will need material. Okay. Okay. I will got another job now. Got a job for you. Yeah, this is the best one at the moment, and I will send that train. But I still have 4 dispatchers. No, 3. One it's working. But one of these 4 dispatchers are temporary, just for 1 hour. And while waiting, I will finish this one. Okay, advertising skit. They are all 30 seconds today, very boring. But that's something you have to watch if you don't want to pay. And I don't see any enjoyment in this game if I go to pay for it. It's really also expensive. It's like 100 euros for 6,000 gems. I don't think they will sponsor me after that. I think this is robbery. 6,000 gems. You actually don't need that amount of gems. You can always spend them to fasten jobs, especially when you are in the competition, to get first. But you didn't get first there because you know how to play, but because you spent lots of money for nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna speed up a little bit the movie, so we don't waste much time, but you can still see what I'm doing. I will just make a kind of time lapse a little bit faster without talking, so you can just look, and that will be more or less everything for today. Today's video may seem a little bit boring because we are at the low levels. There's not much excitement about that, but later on there will be really exciting situations, tricks you will learn if you will continue to watch this series. Let me mention LDPlayer again. You have your market. You go to Play Store. Everything the same as on your mobile phone. It works really fast. So this is Google Play, and you can install anything. You can connect actually your account, of course, and that's it. So this is several tabs you can open. Home with your shortcuts, and this is LDPlayer. It's really nice and fast and free. I recommend guys to download it right away. You can install it by clicking the link in the descriptions. It's really nice. I think it's the best Android emulator. It will emulate Android operating system on your Windows 10 or whatever operating Windows systems you have. Okay, so let's move to the end of today's episode. I didn't filled up my warehouse. On these levels there's no problem with warehouse capacity, but later on there will always be problems because you need the biggest possible warehouse. And you will obtain that by upgrading the buildings, which we'll cover next time, guys. And let's send those trains. I think I will finish all jobs actually, because I have some train. Yeah, I will there will even be one dispatcher and train left. Because I don't have anything else to do at this moment. So now you will have to wait 15 minutes to be able to continue, and we will finish for today. Okay, let me order. Okay, this is small capacity train, only 5 boxes, so it's not worth to go take materials with those trains. I actually have to upgrade the trains and everything else. We will talk in the other episodes. Please subscribe and like this video, it's very important, so I can actually make more of videos like this. Please comment if you have something to say about this game or about this tutorial. Anything is welcome, and see you guys next time.
It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic. Subscribe to my channel now and like this video right away.